Hi everyone, it's svgcoop.com and we are back working on our pyramid book. I just cut out the file that's called page 1, and so you're going to have your background piece, and then the first thing we're going to do is you're going to have a piece like this. I'm just going to put this sort of in the center here, and I'm going to use my crocodile, and I'm going to poke a hole in here for the 1/8 inch side. So I want to put two little brads in here. So I'm just going to hold that like that. And poke a hole in. On the other side. Okay, and then I have these two little brads that I'm going to stick in here. Of course, you can use a hole puncher. You don't have to have a crocodile per se to do it. I'm just going to open that up like that. Okay, put one on the other side. Okay, then you're going to have a piece that looks like this, and it's going to have score lines along the three sides. We're just going to fold this on the three score lines. I'm just going to give that a good little scrape here. Put some tape. Now you can either put the tape this way and glue it here like this, or you can put the tape on the inside and fit the pocket right inside. It's really whichever you prefer. I just happened to glue it that way this time, so now I'm going with it. Alright, I'm just going to take the tape off here. Right up along the bottom. Okay. Then I have a piece of pattern paper that's going to match here. Get that glued down. Okay, next you're going to have another piece that has a score line along the bottom. That's flat along the top, so I'm just going to fold this on the score line. This time I'm going to put the tape on the inside, like this. Do is I'm going to make it so that this is on the top. I'm just going to line those up like that. And then fold that over. Okay. Then you're going to have another piece that also has a score line on it. It's got a little design here, so I'm just going to fold this down like that. Give it a good rub. And again, I'm going to put the tape on the inside here. This. Okay, and then this time I'm going to make sure that this is on the top here. And line that up. Okay, and then hold that down like that. Okay, now what I want to do is I'm going to use a magnet. So let me just go grab my magnet. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to use these little magnets that I got from Magnets for Less. And I'm just going to use my glue tape here and separate this. Put a little tape on the bottom. Give it a good little rub. Okay. Okay. And I think I'm going to put this underneath so it has one less piece of paper to go through. Okay. Then I'm going to flip it over and figure out where my magnet belongs. And there it goes. I'm just going to put some tape on here. And get this on here like this. Okay. So now that will snap shut. And we're ready. Okay, so I'm going to put some pattern paper on here. Let's see, I think put this on the outside. Okay, and then this piece on the inside. So I'm on the East Coast and we recently got 3 nor'easters in the last 2 weeks. So there's a pile of snow outside and I decided to do this book as a spring book because I cannot wait for spring to get here. Okay, so we're going to do this side. Okay. Put that on there like that. And then I'm going to get the other piece. Okay. Just going to get that glued on. Like that. And there we go. That's going to be our first page. Of course, we're going to decorate it, but right now, that's what it looks like. So we can actually install this right away. So I'm going to pull my book out, and we're going to flip to the biggest page. Just going to put some score tape right on here. Going to go across the magnet. Give that a good rub. Pull the tape off. Okay, I'm just going to get that installed right away, right into our book. Okay, and there we go. That's going to be page 1. All right, thanks for watching. We'll be back.